sad story coming in from the state of Maharashtra, where the Vande Mataram politics seems to be spiraling, where netas from the BJP are learned to have reached the residence of Abu Azmi in Mumbai and are singing Vande Mataram. Now remember, certain leaders from the opposition, Rucha, I believe there is a lot of drama that seems to be taking place. Over to you. Describe to us the pictures there. What's happening at Abu Azmi's residence?
Well, right outside Abu Azmi's residence, which is located in Kolaba, people have gathered here from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP Mumbai president is also present here, and they are going to recite the Vande Mataram in front of his residence. People in large number have come here, and especially Abu Azmi, which is completely against singing Vande Mataram. He says that a Muslim cannot recite Vande Mataram because it contains some words which are of Hindu belief. But here we can see there is one Muslim woman. She is wearing burqa, who is also going to sing Vande Mataram, and people from across all communities have gathered here. People from Koli community, Marathi, Gujarati, Muslim community have gathered here, and they will soon recite the entire Sampurnam Vande Mataram, which is all six phrases of Vande Mataram are going to be sung here very soon, and we are also expecting a response from Abu Azmi, who was suggesting that intellectuals would know why Muslims can't sing Vande Mataram, but it is also important to note that A.R. Rahman, Allah Rakha Rahman, who is also a Muslim believer, also sang Vande Mataram, and he in fact published an entire album on Vande Mataram where he is singing.
You've been giving us good examples there exactly as far as when it comes to the very spirit of nationalism and patriotism is the very meaning of national song that it evokes. If you can speak to the people around you, what is now being believed to be said that multiple leaders and workers are from the BJP who are actually marking this occasion today. Rucha, can you speak to a few of them, please?
Well, definitely, let's speak with the women present here. क्या कहना है, क्यों आपको लगता है अबू आजमी को भी वंदे मातरम गाना चाहिए? हर एक भारतीय को ये क्यों गाना चाहिए?
हर एक भारतीय को वंदे मातरम गाना चाहिए क्योंकि वो हमारे देश के लिए है।
क्या कहना है आपका? आज यहाँ पे आप अबू आजमी के घर के बाहर ये गाएंगे और आज पूरा देश अभिमान से ये
भारत ये सबकी जन्मभूमि और कर्मभूमि है, तो ये भारत माँ को एक रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए अगर हम लोग वंदे मातरम गीत गाए तो मुझे नहीं लगता किसी को भी इस चीज पे ऑब्जेक्शन होना चाहिए।
Definitely, the women also believe that nobody should have any objection in singing Vande Mataram, and very soon
dramatic pictures there. It's kind of a symbolic protest, but marking the very occasion of 150 glorious years of the national song Vande Mataram. The issue that has been raised by the Prime Minister of certain omissions and also edits in this truncated version of Vande Mataram, the full version that was sung by the Prime Minister today, where he participated in the program. But there are certain sections in the opposition and certain Muslim organizations as well who have objected, saying that any forceful or coercive action on singing the song would go and hurt their sentiments and their religious faith.